Welcome to GB Automobile 237, your channel dedicated to quick and effective solutions for your automotive issues. Today, we're diving into a topic that concerns many Ford drivers, the system off to save battery message. You may have seen this message pop up on your dashboard, and it can be frustrating not knowing exactly what's happening or how to fix it. Don't worry. In this video, we'll break down the main causes of this issue and provide clear and quick solutions to resolve it. Stay with us until the end because you'll leave with tips that can make a big difference. Let's start by understanding what this message means. When your Ford vehicle displays "System off to save battery," it indicates that your car has detected a low or critical charge level in the battery. This message is not a trivial warning. It's a safety measure to prevent your battery from completely discharging, which could leave you stranded with a car that won't start. Secondary systems like the radio, GPS, or even air conditioning may be temporarily disabled to preserve the power needed to start the engine. So, why does this happen? Well, several factors could explain the issue. First, prolonged use of electrical accessories, such as headlights, heated seats, or the multimedia system while the engine is off, can lead to rapid battery discharge. This behavior is quite common, especially if you enjoy listening to music or working in your car without starting the engine. Second, battery aging is another common cause. Over time, a battery loses its charging capacity, which can trigger this message even if you haven't done anything unusual. Lastly, issues in the charging system, like a faulty alternator, can prevent the battery from recharging properly, leading to this warning. Now, let's move on to the solutions. The first thing to do is to start your car's engine. Letting the engine run allows the alternator to recharge the battery. However, this is only a temporary fix. If you notice the message frequently reappearing, it's time to take the next step. Check your battery's condition. You can use a battery tester or visit a professional who can measure the charging capacity and determine if the battery needs replacement. Next, check if the alternator is working properly. If the alternator isn't charging the battery correctly while the engine is running, it could be the cause. A faulty alternator can lead to rapid battery discharge, even if the battery is new. You can ask a mechanic to test your alternator or use an OBD2 diagnostic tool if you have one. Another solution involves adopting better habits when using electrical accessories. Avoid leaving the headlights, windshield wipers, or radio on when the engine is off. Even though it may seem minor, these accessories consume power and can quickly drain the battery, especially if it's already weak. Additionally, check the battery monitoring system, which is present in newer Ford vehicles. If you recently replaced the battery but the message persists, the BMS may not recognize the new battery. In this case, you might need to perform a reset using a diagnostic tool or ask a professional to do it. Let's talk prevention. The best way to prevent this issue from recurring is to maintain your battery properly. This includes regular checks, especially before cold seasons, as low temperatures can significantly reduce a battery's charging capacity. If you don't drive your car often, consider using a maintenance charger to keep the battery full. These small devices are easy to use and can extend the battery's lifespan. Finally, watch for early warning signs. If you notice your car starts more slowly than usual, your headlights seem dimmer, or the dashboard displays warning messages, it could be a sign that your battery or charging system needs attention. Don't ignore them, as a minor issue can quickly turn into a costly breakdown. Now you know all about the causes and solutions for the system off to save battery problem on Ford vehicles. In summary, this message isn't meant to alarm you unnecessarily, but to protect you from a complete battery failure. With the tips we shared today, you can not only fix the problem quickly, but also prevent it from happening again in the future. If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to GB Automobile 237 for more practical and informative content on car maintenance. Leave us a comment below to let us know if you encountered this problem and how you resolved it. Thanks for watching, and see you so on for more videos.